Welcome back to 944 Muscle. Today we're going to install the short shifter. Welcome back to the channel. Today is December 3rd, 2020. I found an old video of when I installed the short shifter into the 944. So I thought I'd just throw that in there, make a quick little video. I am going to be giving away a shifter ball. It's carbon fiber. If anyone wants to get in on that, just like the video. And so this is the 944, still driving it every day. The short shifter is working excellent, and I love this car. Like I said before in my other videos, it's like a tank. It just keeps going and going and going. It's a 1987 944 NA, and still loving it. This is the Nismo. It's a 2007 Nismo. I added it to the channel just a few videos ago. I'm probably gonna drive this one today. Today's my last day of work, so I'll probably take this one out. Let me give you a quick peek. It's asleep right now. It's been asleep for 2 weeks. We had some bad weather, so I just bought this cover. If anyone wants to know where I bought it from, just let me know and I'll put it in the comments. But I bought this cover, and from Amazon. It fits the 944 perfectly also, so that's why I bought this one. I'll probably buy another one so I can cover both of the cars if I'm not driving either one of them. So yeah, I love this Nismo. It's so fun to drive, and of course it's a lot faster than the 944. But if I'm not driving either one of those cars, like when it was raining a lot, I went over here and I pulled out the I have a Dodge 2010 Dodge truck, and I drive this one when it's really bad weather. I drive this one out. This is the big boy here. This one's very comfortable, good to drive on long trips or just hauling something. So I keep it on a charger. So yeah, I'll be driving this one whenever I need to haul something with. Very good truck, very reliable. It's a 5.7 Hemi, and I'm getting into the dumpster business. I'm gonna start a dumpster business where you rent where you buy a trailer. It's a dumpster trailer. You hook it up to the back of the truck, deliver it to people. They fill it up and you take it to the landfill and dump it. So I'm gonna be starting that later. I'll start making videos on that later, but alright, let's get to the video on how I installed the short shifter. Just got back from the machine shop and I got the flywheel resurfaced. It's been cleaning this transmission. It was really dirty. It was real dirty, but I got it cleaned up pretty much. Let's go get the flywheel from the truck. Here's the flywheel, all resurfaced. That's pretty much it. Now I'm just waiting for the parts to get here and I'll put it back together. Welcome back to 944 Muscle. Today we're going to install the short shifter and linkage onto the transmission. Turn this so you can see a little better. We're going to take off the 10mm bolt first. So you'll need a 13mm and a 17mm. Take that off. I'm gonna leave that on. Let's take that off. Okay, I got the short shifter on and the linkage on. It's very simple. You just screw this on. It's a 12 millimeter, and then you have to hold this 12 millimeter and then tighten it with the 10 millimeter. 13, sorry. This is a 13 millimeter, and you gotta hold this back with a 12 millimeter. And you just put that on there and tighten it up. And this is another 13. But you can't tighten everything up until you put the transmission back into the car.